Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite is one of the cheapest Android stick device right now available in India, by which you can convert your old TV to smart TV. You might be wondering that this is an Android device, so where is the internal memory, where is the RAM, and where is all the motherboard, where is every electronics component, because this is a very simple small device just like a pen drive. So how this all kind of instrument can be inside in this small area? So in this video I'm going to tear down and open Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite remote and as well as this Fire Stick to show you what is inside this product. So let's get started and start tear down. If you want to buy Fire TV Stick Lite device, I will give best buy link in the description. You can buy it from there. So start pressing from the weak point. Here is the weak point, is the power input source or the micro USB female port is the weak point. So press it with tweezer or with your nail. Just start pressing there. So in this way the top cover and the bottom cover of black plastic cover will be coming out. Remember, by removing this kind of plastic cover of your Fire TV Stick Lite devices will not void your warranty. So you can do it without any problem. So this will not void warranty because there is no seal there. But here you can see this is the main PCB. The starting point is the full HDMI port, and here you can see all the RAM or the internal storage, basically eMMC storage, are covered with the metal shield. So here you can see this is a good quality green color PCB is there, double sided PCB. So two sides contains of the electronic components, and here you can see it is also sponge is there to keep it steady inside this box. So this is there all the component, basically RAM, internal storage or CPU inside this cover. So here you can see some number is given there, and here you can see from the side how the thickness of the PCB is there. So this is the motherboard, this is the full device. So right now let's deassemble the remote controller. So this was the Fire TV Stick Lite. So now I am going to tear down the Fire TV Stick Lite remote controller. This is the 2020 version. So just remove the back cover and take out your batteries, which is given inside the cell. This is runs by two AAA battery. So here you can see what you have to do. First of all, the circular joystick or the navigation button in your remote, just below the voice input button, you have to use some nails or screwdriver or some tweezer. You have to remove this circular ring. This is basically plastic built, so just remove it. So after you remove, you will see there is two small screws there. So use a Phillips screwdriver or the screwdriver that is mainly used for the mobile spare parts repairing. Use those small screwdrivers. So there is two screws there, just remove two screws and you have to separate the top cover to the bottom cover. So first of all, this is a pretty good quality plastic, and this is better than the Mi Stick remote build quality. So build quality is good. Here is the plastic, and the buttons is the use of the rubber switches. So this is the rubber switch. You can see there is the button is the navigation, and other button is also there. This is the main PCB of the remote controller. This is Fire TV Stick Lite remote. But this PCB thickness is low. The previous thickness of the Fire TV Stick Lite was thick enough, but it is low thickness. In the bottom, some serial number or some device ID, whatever is there, it is written there. Now move to the back side of this PCB. Their battery spring is there, some number is also written there, and there is some other chips one of them is very important, that is the single chip Bluetooth transceiver. So here I copied the numbers CYW something 20735, the big square icon you can see right now middle of the screen, and I searched on internet. 20735B1 is the single chip Bluetooth transceiver for wireless input devices. This runs via Bluetooth 5.0. This is pretty thumbs up to the Fire TV Stick Lite. It is using latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. And as well as I also found out this is the low power radio, that's mean it uses only 8 milliampere in the battery, so it will give long battery backup in your remote. It does also includes MCU, that's mean microcontroller. So microcontroller plus Bluetooth are embedded in a single chip. Another important thing is that it runs between 1.7 volt to 3.6 volt. So if your battery is low, and even you can use 1.2 volt rechargeable cell inside it. So here you can see this diagram, block diagram. There is 320 KB RAM is there, 2 MB ROM is there, 96 MHz microcontroller unit frequency is also there. So I can say this price point, this is a pretty good remote, and Amazon used latest technology, latest chip, and also power saving Bluetooth circuit. So that's pretty good. That's all in this video. I'm now wrapping up this video, and again I'm assembling all the components as previous. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay subscribed to Som Tips to get more videos on Fire TV Stick.